Well, I'm all set up. Got my detector out, got my shovel, got my trowel. There's my carrying pouch. Got the detector up. Paid $75 for it, and it's worth every cent. Uh, it's got extra pouches for batteries and stuff like that. So this is the area that I'm going to concentrate on. People do lots of fishing around here. They do lots of sitting and resting and picnicking and all kinds of stuff. So it's beautiful over here. Give you guys a little view before I start digging, if I can. Here we go. This is all water here. All snowed over. Got some beautiful birds over here. Let me zoom in. Got a beautiful cardinal there. I don't know if he'll let me anyhow, that was a cardinal. He's kind of camera shy, so zoom out. Okay, time to go to work here. I like to call metal detecting going to work because I like to keep a structure to it. It's not work at all, believe me. I love it. And I have so much fun with it. You never know what you're going to find. So, with that being said, let's have some fun. Okay. I'm going to try a few live digs. And when I get the next signal, you guys will see what we got. All right. Okay, I got a pretty good signal here. I got my headphones on right now. But it's saying 53, 46, 63, 61. So it could be a piece of aluminum. Just going to pinpoint it. Saying it's about 4 inches down. Probably junk. But we shall see. I'm going to try to do this. I don't know how, but with the camera. I'm going to put that down right there. Get my shovel. That's my spot right there. A lot of heavy snowfall, but okay, so I got that up there. You can see underneath, it's pretty soft. That's my hole. Get my pinpointer out. Saying it's right there. right there. Yep, piece of foil. So I'm going to rescan the hole. Probably more foil. But you never know. That's it right there. More foil. And now she's clean. So then we put the hole back the way it was before. And that's how I dig. Pat her down real good. And I'll let you know my next signal. Okay, I just changed location because where I was before, there was just a lot of junk around the edges of the fields. And like I said before, that's where the lawnmowers push all the cans and stuff like that. And that was the only area I was able to dig because the center part was just filled with too much ice and snow. But so here I am in a different spot, and this is all water over here. There's one big pond. Completely stay away from that. Gonna give you an idea down there on it. Very dangerous if you ever slip down there. And I'm by myself, so I'm not taking any chances at all. So this is what I came to see. I hunt this area in the summertime, and I'm always trying to picture what it's like in the winter, tobogganing and stuff like that. So now I'm going to zoom. I've got a good idea of where the hot spots are. The people toboggan at the bottom. I get an idea of where they are. With the cold weather, their rings and coins and all that, they fall off. So I'm going to concentrate on those areas here and see what I get. A lot of the stuff should be surface. They shouldn't be all that much far down. And like this fellow here, there's a path. And those paths are what I'm after. And you can't really see them in the summer, but you can see them in the winter. And so I'm going to follow that path all the way across where he's walking, which will lead me right to the foot of the Toboggan Hills. And like I said before, a lot of it should be surface stuff. So I'll let you know what I find. Well, I'm still out here. I tried that toboggan area at the bottom, but I'm going to have to come back in the spring and do that spot because there's just too much ice. It's very thick coating of ice all the way down. This area over here is very soft, so I'm going to concentrate on that. This is what I found so far. Lots of tin cans and aluminum foil, and I got a loonie. So there's hope. It's my only coin of the day. And of course pull tabs. So there's the parts litter and recycling bins. Lots of them around here. They're here. They're over there. And just, so well, I just got a pretty good signal, 76 to 84. Which tells me it's a coin, possibly a large size coin. Dug it in the plug and it's still in there. And it's right there. So I'm just gonna reach in and get it. It's probably a loonie. Yep, another loonie. So that's 2 for today. And if I could see these loonies, if I could detect these loonies, I could detect the other stuff. And this ground at this one spot is pretty good. So there's hope in this area. Get back to you. Okay, I didn't want to do total live digs because there's just so much junk and it's just taking so much time. But I got a good signal here. It was 83, 86, which is either a large coin or a ring. And I got what looks to be, it might be a ring. I'm not sure. But this is where it is right here. And I'm gonna extract it from here. And yes, it's a ring. Now I don't know if it's gold or not, but that's a nice looking ring. I won't know until I get it home. But that's better than a kick in the butt any day. Alright, so looks like it could be a wet and bend. I don't know if there's any stamp in there, but it looks pretty clean, which is a good sign when you take a ring out of the ground. It's all rusty and all that. Of course, you know it's just plated, but that's a good day so far. And I don't know if it's real or not, but I'll get it home and clean her up. Alright, so check in with you soon. Okay, I just checked it. It is silver. It's 925. That's a men's ring. And looks in pretty good shape. I don't know if it fits me or not, but let me just see here. Yeah, it fits. But I'm not going to wear it on that ring, on that finger. You guys understand why. But that's nice. Nice to find silver. Next step, find gold. We'll see. Okay, check back. Okay, here's another live dig. I'm starting to know my numbers in the winter time for the AT Pro. Anything 79 up, 80 up, good signals for the AT Pro. It's got me the loonies so far, the ring, and I got, looks like a toonie down there. Let me just take it out. Oh, it's a toonie and a loonie. Not bad. Mixed together. Ground is soft in this area. I don't normally detect in this side area in the summertime. I usually concentrate on the middle sections, but there's too much ice. So this is great. This is forcing me to go where I don't normally go in this area in the wintertime. So I'm going to put that in my pocket. So far, silver ring, $5. I'm going to see if there's anything else in the hole there. Gonna have to reset the bit pointer just to make sure there's nothing else. Nope, we're good. Okay, I'll let you know on the next one. So this is pretty cool. I got me came up 80, 81, which is penny on the AT Pro, and dug down probably about 4 inches, and I got me a little coin spill here. Let's see what we got here. Got me a dime. Looks like a dime. Got me a, looks like a newer penny because it's pretty crusted. Got me another penny. And another penny on top of that. That's what I got so far. And I'm gonna check it again. Got me something else here too. Okay, got me another penny. Another penny. Got me something else there. Let's see what else. Oh, I see it. Got me another dime. What else is down there? Pretty cool. I like coin spills. I don't care how old or how new. They're pretty cool. Anyway, I'll let you know if I find anything else. And it's still a beautiful day out there. And my customers are out. Well, looks like I just got another coin spill. Modern one again. These quarters look pretty rusted, which tells me it's a newer coin spill. Had it been silver, it wouldn't have been like this, and they're all frozen together. We got 3/4 and a nickel. And 2 right there are just frozen together. And I'm just gonna put that in my pocket and rescan the hole, see if there's anything else in there. Yep, another one right there. Another 1/4. What else we got here? Reset my check the plug. Plug seems all right. Completely frozen. Put that back in. Check the top of it. Top of it's okay. And that's the second coin spill. All right. Okay, here we go. Last dig of the day outside. I am not cold at all. This is beautiful. It's like +3. This is my last dig for today, and I'm gonna make it a live one. I think it's tinfoil. It's covered up 45 to 53, which is typically tinfoil or aluminum. Could be a pull tab, could be a gold ring, but anyhow, let's turn this on and see what we got here. Look at that, the side there. Where's the trowel? Right here. I see it right there. Looks like a pull tab. Oh well. You know what? I'm glad to be able to dig one. It's even though there's ice and everything like that, I'm just glad to be able to still dig. And I'm just going to check the hole just to make sure there's nothing else in there. Nothing else. Now I'm going to go home, clean the finds, and show you what I got at home after. And it's been a great day. I'm going to head out tomorrow. Also, tomorrow's supposed to be sunny in the same temperature, so should be nice. Hopefully this temperature will stay overnight. +3, help melt a little bit of the snow and ice. Mostly the ice. The snow I could deal with. It's just the ice. It's not gone down too far. Good day. Lots of change. Lots of aluminum cans, stuff like that, and a silver rig. So it's nice. Anyhow, I am going to go home now and do that stuff with the fines. Clean them up and I'll show you. Okay, I just got in and this is what I do with my fines typically. I just put them in a bowl of warm water, leave them for about 5 minutes. The silver ring I will clean with the Earth Bright, and the toothbrush I use that for the coins, just for rinsing and brushing off the dirt. Magnifying glass just for looking for dates, because I like to categorize them, from the 50s on up to 2000. And so that's what I do. I don't spend a lot of time cleaning my fines after, but I do clean them all. Well, I got all my fines cleaned up, categorized, got the tech token here. That's something I didn't know here. I thought it was just a 30-quarter. But I found one of these before too. 1979, 80s, 90s, and look at the 2000s. Look at the condition that these coins are in. This is just, that's where our coin system has gone to. Unbelievable. They're just rusting like tin cans. And, well, we're allowing the government to do that. And that's the star of the show. And that is the 925 silver ring. And it is stamped as such. And she's a beaut. She's a really nice ring. Nice bevel. I'm glad I found that and they all work well. That park that I go to near where I live, it keeps giving up rings at all kinds. Silver, gold, diamonds, lots of change like this. I've got containers full. I should just show you right here. There's some of them right here. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's just one container that I have, but I've got many of them. Alright, thanks for watching guys, it's been a great day.